Namayani ang diwa ng pagkakaisa at kultura sa ikapitong Budong Festival kasabay ng ika-31 anibersaryo ng pagkakatatag ng Kalinga. Pinangunahan ng pamahalang palalawigan ang Luminawa Float, tampok ang artwork ng dalawang magkakapit kamay bilang simbolo ng pagkakaisa at kapayapaan. Kasama rin dito ang mga larawan ng kilalang Kalinga artist na si Wang Od at ng Yumaong Alonso Saclag Sr.
Lagi nating sinasabi na diversify no yung inyong offering kasi you have so much to show, and is also one way of encouraging them to be creative by displaying kung ano yung imagery through the float parade no ng mga different municipalities. So we can be able to siguro understand kung anong meron sila through the display of their floats, and then makita natin how creative the people of Kalinga are.
Sabi ni Secretary Frasco kanina, karamihan daw sa mga festival na napupuntahan niya, it's either they're going to portray yung mga produkto, mga ganon, or religious fiestas and others. Pero iba dito sa amin kasi culture ang papakita namin dito.
Kinagiliwan ng mga manonood ang mga float ng 7 munisipalidad at ng Tabuk, kabilang ang Unoy Festival ng Tinglayan, Binungol at Machachaton Festival ng Balbalan, Slow Food at Salip Festival ng Pasil, Laga Festival ng Lubwagan, Sumkad Pinokpok ng Pinokpok, Mataguan Festival ng Tabuk City, Kape Festival ng Tanudan at Pamana Festival ng Rizal.
Yeah, and I'm wearing my Kalinga colors today, so pretty happy about that. Oh, I love it. So when you come to the province, you get immersed in the culture, as opposed to going to the tourist towns. That's more foreigners, more tourists. Where here you're in the culture, right? So I really enjoy it.
Nangunang munisipalidad ng Tanudan at tinanghal na grand prize winner na may 150,000. Pumangalawa ang Lubwagan na may 100,000 habang pumangatlo ang Balbala na may 80,000. Ang iba pang kalahok ay tumanggap ng tig 50,000 bilang pagkilala sa kanilang pagsisikap at pagiging malikhain. Tinanggap ng mga local chief executives at kinatawan ng mga nanalong munisipalidad ang kanilang mga premyo sa formal program sa Kalinga Sports Complex nitong February 14.
Since Lubwagan is known as the capital weaving of Kalinga, we have here the Laga. Laga means weaving. Yeah. So we have this backstrap weaving. These are the different products of our weavers. No? So this is passed down through generations from of course, our ancestors. No? So we want to preserve this weaving, this backstrap weaving, because now there's a lot of machine printed materials which they are copying the designs of our local weavers, and this kills the livelihood ng ating mga kababayan na naghahabi.
We are portraying the weaving, the source of livelihood of Lubwagan, Kalinga. Ayan, napakaganda oh. Tignan mo, ito talaga, it depicts the history of Lubwagan. Kalinga. Ayan. Lahat ito may meaning, ma'am. Kaya nagagandahan talaga ako, and I'm very proud of this product.
Bawat float na nakaparada rito ay may kwento ng kani-kanilang bayan, produkto, kultura at tradisyon na pinagsama sa makukulay na disenyo, nagpapakita ng pagkakaisa at pride ng Kalinga. Grace Doctolero, humahataw sa balita ngayon.